drift down through open space, morning air in peaceful sway, guiding calm along the way. Feel the rhythm soft and slow. Let your inner stillness grow. Serenity pulse within the air. Gentle waves of peaceful care, flowing through the heart so deep, holding you in quiet sleep. Golden light upon the forest floor, breath of nature evermore. Every whisper calm and clear brings your spirit closer here. Close your eyes and drift inside, where gentle